Hey friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. Today we are going to do a treatment, a microinfusion treatment or microneedling treatment with the Qure Microinfusion system. This is going to be a full tutorial, you guys, with lots of good information on the benefits of microinfusion with the Qure system. For those of you brand new, I am a 52, almost 53-year-old master and medical esthetician, and I am passionate about all things beauty, but especially skincare. So I have the full microinfusion kit here, and today I'm going to show you how to set this up and how to do a treatment safely and effectively to get the most out of your Qure microinfusion system. So I have started by double cleansing my skin, and before most treatments, I use the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Cleanser. You can see this has been well loved because it is curling up. And salicylic acid is one of the few oil penetrating acids, so this will give your skin a deep clean. This wouldn't be something I would recommend for everyday use, but I use it maybe once or twice a week, and I always use it before a treatment. So in the Qure system, you get the little vial with cap and an assortment of these one-time use needle heads. The length on this is a 0.5 millimeter or 0.5 millimeters. This is a great length for collagen synthesis, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, treating hyperpigmentation, and improving surface scars. Now, deeper scars may need a deeper length of microneedling, and you can find some more microneedling tutorials on my channel. You can also find advanced skincare at rumble.com/c/gorgeouslyaging. So we're going to go ahead and take our vial, and this is the Hydra Soothing Serum Concentrate. And this is what the little vial looks like. It is in a sealed container. I'm going to go ahead and pull this top off. There is a metal ring, and we want to pull the metal ring around the outside and then pull this gray top off. It is important to have clean hands, so make sure to wash your hands thoroughly. I also like to put a little hand sanitizer on my hands. I'm going to go ahead and just transfer this into the vial here. This is where your needle cartridge is going to go. Get every last drop of that goodness. Once our Hydra Soothing Wrinkle Serum is in the vial, we're going to go ahead and open the one-time use needle cartridge. Now, it's important to only use these once because the needles get dull when you use them. And for sanitary reasons, it's always important to use a clean cartridge each time. So we're going to go ahead and just screw this right onto the top here. Now my hands have been sanitized. You can wear gloves if that makes you feel better. I'm only going to be holding this part of the vial. You can see the needles here, not super deep. Again, a 0.5 millimeter length. And this couldn't be easier. I always like to work in sections. So I'm going to start up at the forehead on the right side of my face. And just in a stamping motion, I'm going to go ahead and stamp. And gradually the serum will start coming out of this. I find that if I work a little bit quicker, it makes the treatment a little more comfortable and the serum comes out a little better. And sometimes it makes me sneeze. Now this should be enough serum for the face, neck, and chest. And I like to do the upper eyelids. Don't go down too close to the soft spot there. And then of course the crow's feet. And you can go slower, whatever you're more comfortable with. I like to work a little bit quicker. A little overlapping is okay. The skin gets red, that's called erythema, and that's totally normal. It's actually the trauma to the skin with the needles that helps to synthesize collagen. So the damage isn't really damage. That little puncture is creating microchannels for the infusion, for that skin booster to get into the skin, and it's also stimulating collagen. I'm going to go up over my nasolabial fold and then under the lip and the chin here. The upper lip can be a little sensitive, and then I'm just going to get on my nose here, which is a little bit more of a cartilage based area, so it can be a little harder to treat. We have to go a little gentler over the nose or the bony area. And then I like to hit the areas where I have enlarged pores a little bit more, so I'm going to just treat those areas like between my eyebrows and on my cheeks and chin with a little extra. And now we're going to move on to this side of my face. And again, you can go slower. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. And you can see where you go because generally it gets a little bit red. Now, if you get a little pinpoint bleeding, that's not uncommon. Everybody is a little bit different. Some people bleed very easily and some people don't bleed with this microinfusion. But if you do, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. I like to make sure I'm really getting underneath the eyes really good. That's an area as we age, we really want to stimulate collagen and we want to get that skin booster in there. You don't have to press hard, let the needles do the work. If you have loose skin, it's sometimes helpful to pull the skin taut. And again, the lip is sensitive, so just beware. This will help with those vertical lip lines. And something else to help with the vertical lip lines would be to avoid drinking from a straw. Also, a little Botox on the upper lip helps soften that orbicularis oris muscle. And then you don't do those puckering motions as much, and that softens up those upper lip lines. Holding your tongue under the bottom lip kind of helps make that skin taut. And that's how much we've used so far. So I'm going to go ahead and get my neck. So the neck and the chest are an area that are often overlooked, and for years I took such good care of the skin on my face, and I really did kind of avoid especially my chest. So now I'm really focusing on my chest area. So definitely don't neglect the neck and chest. It'll help keep that skin from being crepey and saggy as you age, and it'll help treat the hyperpigmentation and skin texture. And just going in sections, breaking that up however makes sense to you is a good idea. I'm kind of going quickly through this here so this video doesn't get too long, but you guys get the general idea of how quick and easy this is. So as we age, our skin cells don't turn over as quickly, so sometimes our skin gets rough and dull looking. This will help with skin texture and give the skin a really beautiful glow. And you see results in 1 to 2 days, so the results you don't have to wait a long time for. I love that this is quick and easy to do at home. You don't need any numbing cream. It's not really that uncomfortable. It's just a little prickly. Little to no downtime. You're going to have some redness, and it's recommended that you not put on any makeup for 24 hours. So kind of plan around your busy schedule, and you want to keep it hydrated. I like to use the Avene Cyclophyte, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And then use a gentle cleanser and avoid hot tubs and saunas for 24 hours. I'm just going to get those enlarged pore areas again, so the T-zone, right between the brows, chin, and cheeks. This is really great if you are recovering from acne and you have some acne scarring, some redness, or some post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now, some acne scarring or deeper scarring may require a deeper microneedling treatment, but surface scarring that isn't too deep can be improved with this microinfusion system, especially when done regularly. I have the 3-month kit, so I'll come back and show you other treatments and kind of my progress over that time using this system. I want to make sure to give some good attention to my chest that I have been neglecting over 52 years. And remember to always cover your skin with sun protection year-round, not just in the summer. That's going to help prevent your hyperpigmentation. If you're going to do the work to improve your skin, you want to protect that investment. And I like to use every last drop of this. There's just a little bit left, so I'm just going over my neck again. There's no sense in wasting any of this goodness. This is such a safe and easy treatment to do at home. And even for those who are not super sensitive, this is not a painful treatment. I have a little thyroid scar. That's kind of a deeper scar. It's been there for like 24 years. I had thyroid cancer, but I always like to go over that scar. It used to be a lot worse years ago. So I don't want to remove any of that goodness. I just want it to absorb into my skin. If your hands are really good and clean, you can massage it in. And I'm going to use my Avene Cyclophyte Plus. And this is a wonderful restorative reparative cream. It's really rich and occlusive, and this I find helps everything heal up so quickly. I use this for so many things. I always have Avene Cyclophyte on hand. Makes a great night cream if you tend to be really dry or postmenopausal. And I'm just going to go ahead and massage that into the treatment areas. Now, the first time I apply this, I like to be really liberal with it and kind of put it on thick and let it be kind of white on my face, and it will absorb in. And tonight before I go to bed, I'll put a little bit less on and really massage it in. But that first application of the Avene Cyclophyte I like to make sure I get a lot on there, lock in that serum, lock in the moisture, and that just helps everything heal up so well. If you'd like to see future treatments, definitely hit that subscribe button. You'll be able to see my results as I do more treatments down the road, and I have tons of other skincare related content on my channel. As a skincare professional, I can definitely recommend this device for ease, safety, and efficacy. Using this at home, it couldn't be easier. It's a great price point, and I do have a discount code. So you can find the link and discount code down in the video description below. Have you tried the Qure system? What are your thoughts? Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. I appreciate you spending a piece of your day with me. Be good to yourselves and to others. I'll see you in my next video.